Introducing the all-new NZXT H7 Flow and H7 Flow RGB mid-tower PC cases, crafted with high-quality materials and enhanced airflow. The streamlined design fits a wide variety of motherboard layouts and PC case configurations. By positioning the PSU vertically, we've created space at the bottom of the case for dedicated GPU cooling with up to 3 120mm fans, all without increasing the footprint. With toolless panels on the front, top, and sides, getting your build up and going is a breeze. Start your build by removing the panels and setting them aside. Firmly hold on to the case and orient it on its right side. Proceed to install the motherboard. If you are considering installing bottom fans, now is a great time to do so. Route the cables toward the back of the cable management area and drop the fans into place. Then, secure with the screws provided. Storage installation is available on the back side of the motherboard tray or the 2.5-inch SSD cage located along the bottom. Install the CPU. Installing a radiator on top is simple. Make sure to pay attention to their orientation. Once installed, simply pass all of the fan cables toward the back and mount the radiator on top. Mount your CPU cold plate to your CPU. Install your RAM. Install the GPU. To install the power supply, rotate the unit vertically with the fans facing outward along the backside floor of the case, secure with the 4 hexagon screws included. Connect all the power cables to your motherboard using the cable management channels and Velcro straps as needed. Connect all other cables to power your fans and devices. Don't forget to connect the front power connector. Once everything is properly and securely connected, your build is ready to go. Thanks for joining us for this installation guide. If you have any questions or run into any issues, our support team is here to help. See you in the next video.